I really hope this thing is focused. I do just a quick little tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna do this like super blown out look. I'm really excited. And I'm gonna start with a teal color. Alright guys, so I didn't actually have a plan or an idea of what kind of look I was going for, so I basically just started blending colors together. Basically you'll see me transition from color to color in a really soft form. I don't necessarily go in too hard. I'm just lightly blending the colors together. The blue was a little bit more on the not pigmented side of things, so I did kind of think about it whether I was gonna pick a different color or not, but as you can see, I decided to go for it. So I am just setting the pigment down and then feathering it in and out. So as you can see, I'm kind of like sweeping side to side. That really helps the two colors blend in without really blending too much of them together, because for this look I wanted the colors to be specifically in a row, kind of like teal, blue, purple form. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head, and that's basically all I did. And you will clearly see me using a light hand as the colors transition from color to color. To be honest, you guys, I wasn't so sure about this step. I wasn't sure because I didn't want the coral to blend into the purple, and I didn't want it to be too red and overpower what I had already laid it down, because with warm shades you kind of play with either too much pigment or no pigment at all, and I just wanted a little bit of pink and warmness in it. So I picked up the coral and just kind of feathered it into the purple, and I actually really liked the end result. Here you guys will just see how I do my brows. There's not really much to it, but let me know if you guys want a full-on brow tutorial so I can kind of plan on doing that. Otherwise, you guys will see how it literally takes me no time to do my eyebrows. Alright guys, I think I'm all the way zoomed in. I don't mind being too focused in, but I do feel like it's a little up in my space. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and moisturize my skin. prior to the primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply all over the face. We're not done on the eyes, but I want to get my base going so I can focus just on the eyes because I want to add a little bit of glitter. I know, I'm always doing glitter. And you guys, I love this primer. It's moisturizing. I definitely highly suggest you check it out. Just look at my skin. It looks hydrated. So definitely check it out. I'm going to be using my Light Illusion foundation. This is by Flower Beauty. This is their like more natural foundation. They do have a foundation brush. What it looks like, it's pretty dense. It doesn't really have a name except for flower right there. And I like to stiffle it on, so you guys will see how I do that. Pump a few drops. And I'm going to start applying it. And you guys, oh my god. It has such a really pretty, like, natural finish. I forgot to grab concealer, so... Oh, I found it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer. I've never been this zoomed into my face, but there's always a first for everything, right? You know what? I also didn't grab powder. That's okay. It's pretty colorful, so I'm gonna follow it up with a yellow. And then just a little bit of a orange, which you can't even see. Then guys, I'm going to take my LA Girl glitter and I'm going to dab and I'm going to dab it all around. We're going to do the same thing on both eyes. Guys, I went ahead and I'm adding the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. Glitter going on the outer area right here. And then it follows the eye all the way into the inner corner.